Hello friends. Today I will teach you how to do helicopter escape in Granny chapter 2. So let's start. In 3, 2, 1. Today one very interesting. And I entered the Granny's house. Now I'm searching in the rooms whether I'll get, I don't know whether I can do or what I should see. I'm going near the boat now. I got dust tape which is used in helicopter. Yes! So now I'll throw it near the helicopter that time. There. Near helicopter. So still I didn't get security key. So outside the door only I will throw and come. Then it is easy to find, or you will not be remembering. Now I got piece of a picture. That also I will throw near the I'll search in the drawer. I got glass fuse. Yes. So I'll see in the wardrobe. No, nothing. I'll go to this room. I'll see here in the wardrobe. Nothing. So here I got wrench. Yeah, I got wrench. So I'll go. I will go near the Slendrina baby. Slendrina. First I will check these drawers and then go. I did not get anything, but I got now weapon key. Weapon key is also used in helicopter. We should play a game. Then you can use the weapon key. So now I'll open these doors. Can come directly. So I'll go to this room. Here is only the Shendrina baby, and there will be an octopus in the river. When you enter it, it will kill you. So I will see. I took wrench and I will open that. Then the octopus will be dead. I will open. Now I open. Now the octopus will not be there. So now I will go. I'll see in the piano. Sometimes there will be some keys like padlock key like that. Now nothing is there. So I'll see the wardrobe. Nothing. So nothing I got. Here in the drawer. So nothing. See from this door. Here only the drawers. I may get some. What I will get. I'm thinking. What I will get. And the last drawer. Nothing I got. You return. Sometimes I'll get here security key like that. Your wardrobe I will see. I got helicopter manual which is very essential, otherwise you will crash your helicopter. So helicopter manual is important. I'll see in the clock. Nothing. Bathroom I will see. Toilet. I got spark plug. Nothing. It is not useful in helicopter. It is useful in boat. So next I'll go to second floor. I'll see this one. Nothing I got. I got stun gun ammo. I am seeing where is stun gun. I got stun gun inside the microwave. Oven. Oven, not microwave. Now I'll shoot the Slendrina's baby. You can get something. Should go inside and shoot. Then I will see. I got a helicopter key. Without it, you cannot start the engine of the helicopter. So you can see Slendrina. As why you can see Slendrina, as you killed her baby, no? So only you can see. Weapon. I will open. What is there inside? Here only this shoot gun will be. Shooting gun for the game. You should play. Where is the hole? Oh, I got it. Nothing is there. So now I will take this helicopter key and I will throw it near the security room. Then it will be easy for me to remember. So next I will see here. It's very difficult to move this wood from here. Yeah, it's very difficult. So it's not opening. Open fast. Open at last. Oh, what I got. Oh, what I got. I got door handle. It is not in use, as door handle is not used in helicopter. Now I will see here. Sometimes the crowbar will be here, but it's not this time. So I will see here. Door lock. Door lock is not essential. Nothing I'm watching. I will see here. Wow, I got a crowbar. Crowbar is used in two places. So one is near the security room. First I'll go there. After that I'll come down near the boat room. I'll see. I got gasoline can, which is used in boat and also in helicopter. So I'll keep the gasoline can there, and now I'll go down near the boat room. I'm going. So fast, how much? Fast. Yes, I came. Now I got here cutting pliers. They're near the helicopter only. Sometimes it is used. I will show you afterwards. See, nothing is there. I got only dress tape here. Then crowbar, you can throw it. It is not in use. Only it is used in opening the box. First I will see here. Security key. I got security key. Yes. Now I'll go near the security room, where you can go near the helicopter. I open the door. We'll see in the drawer. I got boat key. It is not in use, as we're doing helicopter escape. Boat key is not in use. So I took a piece of picture and I'll go up. You have 3 pictures. You should complete it. I got only 2. Now I should search for another. First I'll fit these 2. Afterwards I will search the last one. So one more, I think it's there in the bedroom. First I'll see these drawers and then go to bedroom. So I'll go from here. Wardrobe also I will see. Hand wheel is not in use. It is used for door. So I cannot go only. Now I am going near the bedroom. First I got another picture. but I did not get the last picture. After fitting these pictures, I should go for searching the another picture. So I need a one picture. I'll be searching now. I'll be searching. Now where I should go. There's a shortcut to go to first floor directly. From here you can go. Should open this and then you should go down the stairs and you come to first floor. Here is only the main door, but it's not essential. In next video I'll come up with the main door. And now let's do helicopter escape. I still did not get the shotgun. Now I got a weapon key. So near the helicopter room, the weapon key is used, and playing a game while you should open the helicopter. Also there also it is used shotgun. So first I will go near the helicopter room. I will show where is even cutting pliers used in near helicopter room. As now I'm going slowly. So I'll shoot to the red mark exactly. Then you can open the door below. You can see the door below. Door below. Now I need cutting pliers. I will go below the ladder. So I got cutting pliers near boat room, so I should go there. I went. So here only is the place where I found the cutting pliers. Cutting pliers. So now I'll go near the security room. So now I will show where is cutting pliers used near helicopter room. So here now I'll go below, and if I open this, you can see Slendrina's husband's dead body. Now I opened it. This is only the place where cutting pliers is used near helicopter room. So I opened. I got safe key. I will see what is there in safe key. Inside safe key. You should go near the main door for seeing what is there. As there only it is used. So I went. I'm going, not went. Instead of going in ladder, I came from another shortcut in which it is a direct jump. So here is another place where safe key is there. I opened. I got padlock key which is not in use. So I will throw down and go up. So now I'll see in the toilet. Sometimes there will be piece of picture near the toilet. Mary will do potty. So now I'll go to second floor directly to the shortcut. First I'll see the wardrobe I saw. So now I will go near the Slendrinas baby. Sometimes there it will be piece of picture will be. Sometimes now My guessings was right, and the piece of picture is there. I will take it and put near the helicopter. Near the helicopter. It is very funny, no? Now I'll go. I went. So I'll climb the ladder of the ladder. So I'll put the picture, and the door is open. Yeah. And now first I will take the shotgun. Shotgun to shoot you people. Just joking, just joking. First I'll open. Then there is a game in which you should shoot the red. It will be moving. You should shoot all the three. Then the helicopter door will open. Now I will shoot. I shoot it. And next I will take the ammo. My ammo is I loaded it. Now I will shoot it. Again I will shoot it to the red mark. So I shot it. Then again one ammo is left. I should try my level best to shoot it. Now I took still two ammo, and I should shoot it. It was just miss. Now I am trying my level best. I shot it. Yes, I completed. Now you can open this door, but you need glass fuse for it. Otherwise you cannot see properly. You will be falling like that. When you get what we can say, that chakkar like that. In Hindi we can say we will say chakkar, but everyone can understand Hindi. So now I'll put glass fuse near the picture, not near the picture, inside the room. Then it is easy. Should put. I got boat steering wheel here, but not in use, as helicopter does not take boat steering wheel. Ooh, we came to the helicopter. Now I got all the materials. I got helicopter key, dust tape, and gasoline can. Now I should just fix it where it is used and not used. So I got gasoline can through crowbar. So now I will go up the ladder. Go near the helicopter now. No, I should fill the fuel near. We should fill the fuel back of the helicopter. Wait, I will show. Here, there one hole will be fuel. It will be written. There you should fill it. So I am filling it. It will take time. Should fill it full, otherwise it will not. The helicopter will not move. See, if I throw the gasoline can from there, it will come near the boat. If you want, you can see, but I can't show now. So now I will take dust tape. I'm going down. Now I took the dust tape. Now I will climb up the ladder and go near the helicopter. I am going in the helicopter. I put it. It is used only here. So now we'll take helicopter key from the shortcut. From here you can open the block, wooden block, and I am going down directly. So while coming back also you can come directly. Helicopter key. This is the last and final thing needed to fly the helicopter. So I'm going. So first there will be an option to get into the helicopter. See here, I pressed it. Engine start, you should press. That's it. And if you like this video, please share, subscribe, and like, and bring it to 2000 likes at least, please. And press the bell icon. Okay. And the helicopter.